We all have some pretty bizarre hobbies. For me, it's freediving. Today, I wanted to see if I could take my GoPro to 72 meters. It's a 40-meter housing, by the way. So this is me in the blue hole in Dahab. It's 92 meters deep. I'm holding onto this line because it's pulling me down in a discipline called variable weight freediving. And there goes my first alarm, and I'm doing something called a mouthful. That will help me equalize later on. I'll tell you more about that later. I'm at 30 meters. While the line has stopped, I haven't, and I'm continuing my freefall. Right now, I don't need to do a thing. I just need to enjoy the ride and equalize with the air in my mouth. This part of the dive where I'm just free falling is really fun. You can even see the outer walls of the blue hole. Freediving here is amazing. There's virtually no current and it's warm. And touchdown. I'm at 72 meters now. I'm just gonna chill here a bit and see if I can spot a tuna or two. Okay, I started faffing around with my camera a bit to get a better angle. That clearly did not work. And there they are, my big beefy pelagic friends. I was actually looking at quite a big one, but I couldn't readjust the camera. Okay, enough fun time. Time to get back to the surface and time to breathe pretty soon. I'm getting back to the surface by pulling up on that long dive line in a discipline called free immersion. And I'm moving pretty fast because I'm only wearing about 2.5 kilograms on my waist and 1 kilogram around my neck. There's quite a lot of pulling involved in this sport, so you better have strong arms. Here comes the sun, everybody. And here comes my safety, swimming down to meet me. Hey man. Alright, I'm almost there. I can see my boy. That was a great ride.